So there's every need why we must consider ourselves the way it should be if we don't do the right things. One of the biggest reasons is that we must put together things that truly matters to us. That thing is the journey of what we preach. Now, there is more big victories that has been registered, recorded, and we must again continue to put ourselves in that very prolonged manner, whatever the case may be. So, as we write for freedom and put ourselves in that very order, we must share the actual sense of the things we have positioned, and that is throwing ourselves in the right order. You see, I'm so saddened that continually we just gonna keep throwing ourselves the way it is, and no matter how they put ourselves the way they should, we must continue to hold ourselves the way it is, and that's just the point. No room for shaking bottles, no room for tantrums, no room for negative mindsets. Everything will be spread the way it is, and more consecutively, we cannot put ourselves in the circle where we'll be disregarded. One of the biggest reasons we must share. Biafra has come to stay and will stay for a long and more long time. Let's be guided in our quest to seek for freedom. Let's be guided in our quest to restore the mindset of the people and to put ourselves before the world map. And that is where the whole journey begins. Nothing less, nothing little. And this is where the whole situation room must be positioned. We cannot be put we can't hold on to most things that should not be tolerated. And as we write for freedom, we must continue to imitate these things. That's where the whole situation room is. So let the journey we must not again put ourselves in zero circle. Nothing more, nothing less. Will definitely put us in that 0 point where we all believe that there is a positivity at the end of the tunnel. You see, the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to bring a lot of light to the four walls of what we preach, who we are, and what we do that has the positive impact. It doesn't matter how hot they want to be. What matters more is that Biafra has come to stay. And what will be, will be. There's no two ways about it. There's no two ways about it. What will be will definitely be. So it's either they release Nnamdi Kanu or they face the true wrath of the law. Because that's the only man that cares. I'm telling you. That's the only man that cares. You can argue it from today to tomorrow. Nnamdi Kanu is the only man that cares about the freedom of the black people, the black race. Yes, I think he has not been offered one or two beans. No, he has been offered. But consistently, this young man has insisted that he will never be part of those that are not in for what it is. Are you getting the point? He promised that he's always willing to fight for his people. So it's either they release Nnamdi Kanu or they face the full blown. Because in everything there's a full blown. There's a full blown. A blown that won't be funny. A very dangerous blown. That everyone will definitely get to see. So let's gauge ourselves. Let's guide ourselves. Let's put ourselves in order not to make any mistake again. Biafra has come to stay. So if Israel is already doing this with those who want to engage them, just like what is happening in Israel now, people should be careful because Biafrans are from the Jews and we are even more stubborn than the Jew itself. That's just our roots. We are God's people, loved by God, and the theory has been proven. So let the journey begin.